So this facility can process 47.5 tonnes an hour, but the important thing to note is not only is that fast, but it's doing that at a quality level that's unprecedented. This project arose as a result of local authorities finding it very difficult to get the control they needed over how they process the waste they collected from the curbside. So it's a unique collaboration between 8 local authorities to develop a solution which looks at the best way to handle curbside recyclable waste. We didn't set out to end up with the plant that we've got. We were able to come up with solutions that actually pushed it on to the next stage of MRF design. And so we've ended up with technologies and integrated solutions that work in a way that we've not seen before in the sphere. What is unique about this plant, about this facility, is that AI is at the heart of what we do, and it's at every stage of what we do. It looks at the way that waste is running through the plant, and it optimises and fine-tunes the plant and the equipment to set it up to deliver the best quality to the most efficiency, because what that means is that we are wasting less, we're recycling more, we are more sustainable, our carbon footprint is lower, and our costs are lower as a result of being able to run this in the most efficient way possible. So I think this plant, this equipment, this setup is a way of showing the waste industry what can be achieved. It's clear that technology is going to be increasingly important in the world of waste management. Technology allows us to be more flexible, to be future-proof. It allows us to plan ahead for changes in legislation or for economic drivers or for the way that households and consumers change their habits. You need flexibility, you need the ability to be able to grow, you need the ability to be able to learn, and you need data to be able to base those decisions about what you're going to do in the future on. And that's only achievable with the technology that we're using. And I think that's what's exciting about this project. It allows us to grow and develop as the waste industry grows and develops.